control. I've never been so high, and just so you know. Losing control. I've never been so high, and just so you